nicer than the other ones that we've had. Champion always has a really nice product line, and you can find them at Canadian Tire. You can also find them on Amazon. I will link the product in the description below, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. This is what you're going to get straight out of the box. You're going to have your generator, you're going to get a quick start guide, you're going to get a propane regulator, as well as oil to break in your generator. You're going to have some maintenance tools, as well as a funnel for your oil changes. Okay, so this is the setup here, and it's pretty straightforward. It's not as technical as you think. So here you're going to have your household hookups, 2 outlets there. You're going to have your 30 amp. Okay, that's what you're gonna use to hook up your camper or your cottage. That's gonna be the main power source there. Here's the push button start. So it's an electric start. Everything is digital. You're gonna have your dial here that's gonna tell you your usage, and any warnings there are gonna come up. Then you have your 12-volt cigarette lighter there. Okay, so these are your breakers here, and then you have your parallels here. If you want to add power, you can parallel to another generator with these ones down here. Okay, so for any reason, you also have a backup pull start here, just like a lawnmower. And then a quick connect for the propane. So it's going to go right side panel for maintenance. Okay. What I really love about this generator is it has a nice sturdy handle here. It has the 2 handles here for picking up, and then it's got one here, and it's got the 2 wheels for easy lifting and easy transportation. If you're a mom like me, you're going to want to get your hands on this Champion inverter generator. It's super quiet, especially if you have small children or babies you want to put to bed while you're camping. It's so quiet for them to sleep, and it has a push button start, easy for moms to use, and it has a dual fuel option as well, which it can take gas or propane, and it's powerful enough to power your whole camper, including the AC. Eco mode, which saves you money as well. Right on the top, and here's your fuel level where you're going to see how much fuel you're putting in. Super quiet, as you can see. 4,500 watts inverter, dual fuel.
How much draws on the unit, which is 0 right now. But you can let it run for an hour by itself. No draw.
Okay, so you're gonna let it run for an hour. And then we are going to change the oil. That's how you break it in.
Okay, that's not equal.
there's an eco mode, which will actually burn less fuel. If gas is too expensive, you can always use the regulator hose and switch to propane, which is a really good option, especially with gas prices right now. So there's the eco mode, which actually saves you in gas. As you can see, there's a little button right there that says eco. So you're going from a conventional generator to an inverter generator, and this is the game changer because it is going to be a lot quieter. This is totally different. This is what you're going to want. Spend the extra money and go with an inverter generator by Champion. This one is really, really good to have, whether you are camping at the cottage, whether you're camping, RV camping, with your trailer. This will power the whole camper as well as your AC, and it's what you're going to want to use. Okay, so this is not on eco. You put it on eco mode, you're going to hear it's very, very quiet now, and you're burning less fuel. So that's definitely an option for you if you're looking to save in gas. Difference now. The engine is a little bit louder, but still it's very quiet. You can hear my voice, and I'm standing right next to it. It's not screaming loud like other generators that we've had, like the gas-powered ones. It's going to be a game changer if you're camping with your family, if you have small children or babies who need to sleep and you don't want a loud generator just screaming in your